Hello guys, I would like to show you Silencify here. So Silencify is a one-stop tool for all your Android silence needs. So let's take a look on what all features it has to offer. So once you open Silencify, it lets you configure some schedules. So on so and so days in a week at so and so time, you can say, oh, I want to mute my phone, or put it on vibrate, or turn off my Bluetooth, turn off my sync, my mobile data. So basically it lets you silence the phone as well as conserve battery at night when you really don't want the mobile to be syncing, or maybe the 3G or 4G to be disabled. Or to disable a rule, you can basically hit the toggle and it's going to disable it. To edit it, just click on the schedule and you can change the name or delete it or do anything with it. To add a new one, just hit the new button and it takes you to a screen. So just give a new name, hit some days that you want the schedule to be run on, and then hit save, and it's going to save the schedule for you. The next option is always ring. So as the name suggests, it's like a whitelist, so I can add any number from my contacts, my call logs, or any number that I know of. And what it's going to do is, if my phone is on silent or vibrate, it is always going to ring for these numbers. The next one is never ring, so it's pretty much the opposite of what we just saw, where this is like a blacklist, so you can add any number from your contacts or any number from call log or any number that you know, and then it's going to make sure that if there is a call from that number, it's not going to ring your phone. The next one is calendar keywords. So here what you can do is you can add some keywords from your calendar. So basically, if I have my calendar synced with my device, and if I have some meetings which has science as the keyword in the title, then it's going to silence my phone. So for here example, I have science added here. So if I have any meeting in my calendar that says science lab or science lecture or science tutorial, it's going to silence my phone during those meetings. You can hit the new button and add any new keyword that you want. So it's going to make sure that it silences the phone for those meetings. The next one is Notify Pro. What this option does is you can basically add some applications or some keywords. So if there is any notification from those applications, or if that keyword appears in any of your notification, it's going to ring. So for example, I've added emergency as the keyword. So if I get any notification from anyone saying emergency, and so what it is going to do is it's going to make a notification sound. As you can see, it's going to repeat for 5 times, or you can just make it repeat the default number. And you can also select what tone you want it to make. So basically you can just change what kind of notification tones it's going to play. So similarly, like I've added hangouts or messaging, so if I get any notification from those apps, it's going to play that notification. So if I want from hangout, make sure it always rings 3 times, I can just configure that. To enable or disable, you can just hit this toggle and it will disable the rule or enable the rule. The next one is location. So in this, you can at the screen you can hit the add button, and it's going to fetch the current location of the place, and it's going to make sure that whenever you are at that location the next time, it's going to silence your phone. So next time whenever you're at a movie, if you hit add button, it's going to fetch the location for that movie place, and the next time whenever you go there, it's always going to silence your phone for that location. So that pretty much covers what all Silencify has to offer. I hope you guys like the video and you would download it, and I'm sure it will be of great use to you guys. Thanks, bye.